everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are division patterns over increasing place values, divide numbers ending in zeros, division word problems, and divide larger numbers. So, what do you know about division? What is division? Divide. That means you are going to divide an amount into equal number of shares, right? You can note down the definition. Make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So, division is the process of breaking a number up into equal parts, right? And finding out how many equal parts can be made, and finding out how many equal parts can be made. For example, 6 divided by 2. So, which is the correct option? Hi everyone. Okay, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That means you can divide 6 into 3 equal groups of 2. 2, 2, 2. That is the division of 6. You can divide 6 3 times into, you can divide 6 into 3 equal parts, right? That is division. Let's just start with the practice questions. So basically, multiplication and division are opposite to each other, right? Complete the pattern. So missing number divided by 2 equals 1. So then missing number divided by 2 equals 10. Then missing number divided by 2 equals 100. So what number divided by 2 equals 1? When you divide a number by itself, the answer is 1, isn't it? That means here the missing number is 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Right here you have 10. That means the divisor also have 1 0 and you have 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here you have 100. That means here you have 200. Yes, that is 2000, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. So basically, okay, complete the pattern. 8 divided by 8 equals 80 divided by 8 800 divided by 8 and 8000 divided by 8. So which is the correct option? 8 divided by 8 equals, yes, that is 8 divided by 8 is 1. When you forget 0, right? 8 divided by 8 is 1. You have to add the same 0 to the answer, right? Then you have 100 and then you have 1000. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? Correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is complete the pattern. 3 divided by what number equals 1, which is the correct option. Then 30 divided by what number equals 10. Then 300 divided by what number equals 100. Which option is missing? 3 divided by what number is 1? The correct option is 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So all the numbers must be 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 3000 divided by 3 equals 100 and 3000 divided by 3 equals 1000. They all are 3, the correct option. How 6? 3 divided by 6 is 1. What's wrong with you? How you are answering? 3 divided by 3 is 1. The answer is just 3. Marjan, what's wrong with you? If you have a question, just write the question. Or only once. Stop spamming, everyone. The missing number divided by 6 is 1. Missing number divided by 6 is 10. The missing number divided by 6 is 1000. So which number is missing? Very good. That would be 6, 60, 600, and 6000. Option number 1 is the correct option. Marjan, please write the answer once. Which language you understand? 6 divided by 3 equals missing number. 60 divided by 3, 600 divided by 3, and 6000 divided by 3. So which is the correct option? 6 divided by 3 equals, seven. 3 times 2 equals 6. That would be 2. You need to count a table of 3 until 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. So you can go for 6 divided by 3 is 2. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 600 divided by 3 is 200. And 6000 divided by 3 is 2000. So the last option is the correct one, right? Okay, 4 divided by missing number equals 2. 40 divided by missing number equals 20. Yes, that is 2, 2, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 400 divided by 2 is 2000. They all are 2. Just 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2 equals. Yes, that will be 4, 40, 400, and 4000. The correct option is option number 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Write the answers once only. I'm going to block you all. Okay, the next one is divide numbers ending in zeros. Okay, the first one is 630 divided by 7, right? First, let's just divide without 7, right? Without 0. So without 0, that would be just 63. You have to count a table of 7 until 63. So 7 times what number is 63? You have to count a table of 7 until 63. So 7 times 9 is 63, right? So that means when you divide 63 by 7, the answer is 9. Now you can put the 0, the one with the question, right? So that would be 7 times 90 equals 630, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, so you have 50 divided by 5. Let's just divide without 0, right? You have just 5 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? 5 divided 5 times what number is 5? Yes, 5 times 1 is 5. You can add now the 0 to here. So 5 times 10 is 50. So the correct option is 10. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? 40 divided by 1. Which option is the correct one? 40 divided by 1 is very good. 1 times 40 is 40. So the correct option is 40. Okay, 600, 600 divided by 1. Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 divided by 600 is 1 times 600 is 600. The correct option is 600. Very good. Okay, the next one is 400 divided by 1. So, which is the correct option? Which is, yes, that would be 1 times 400 is 400. So, the correct option is 400. Okay, now you have to divide 720 by 8, right? Let's just divide without 0. Without 0, that would be just 72. 8 times what number is 72? 8 times 9 is 72, right? Then add a 0. So that would be 90, not 900. How 900? You have just one 0. If you have one 0 with divisor, the answer also have just one 0. That would be just a 90. The correct option is 90. Yes, too easy. That's why your answer is wrong. Okay. 100 divided by 5, which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 20. The correct option is 20. Okay, 3000 divided by 5, which is the correct option? Okay, you have 3000 divided by 5. 3000 divided by 5, right? Let's just divide without 0. You have just 3 by 5, right? You cannot divide because 5 is smaller than 3. So you need to add 1 0. Now you have to count 5. 5 times 6 is 30, right? How many zeros you are left here? 2. So the answer must have 2 zeros. So the correct option is 600. The correct option is 600, not 60. Okay, 1600 divided by 4, which is the correct option? That would be 400, right? 4 times 4 is 16. Then I added 2 zeros, so that would be 400. Okay, 320 divided by 4, which is the correct option. The correct option is very good. That would be 80 because 4 times 8 is 32. So that would be 80, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is division word problems. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, there are 49 students eating lunch in the cafeteria. If 7 students are sitting at each table, how many tables are being used? So, the total students are 49, right? And you have to see how many tables are used for all of the students. If on each table you can have 7 students, right? So you have to do 49 divided by 7. So which is the correct option? 7 times what number is 49? Very good. 7 times 7 is 49. So the correct option is that means for, uh, if there are 49 students, you need to have 7 tables in the cafeteria, right? Stop talking, everyone. Just answer the questions I am asking. Otherwise, I'm going to block you. A toy store has 28 hula hoops, which are evenly divided among 7 racks. How many hula hoops are hanging on each rack? So, which is the correct option? The total are 28, right? You need to divide them by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 7 times what number is 28? Yes, that would be 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. There are 21 bikes parked in the bike rack at Caroline's school. If the bikes are evenly divided among 3 bike racks, how many bikes are parked in each rack? So, which is the correct option? There are 21 bikes. You have to divide them into 3 racks. So, 21 divided by 3 is 21 divided by 3 equals 3 times what number is 21? Very good. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 21, not 3 times 3. What are you doing? 3 times 7, not 3 or 7. Stop guessing the answers. You have to divide 21 by 3. Just look at this. You have to divide 21. You need to count the table of 3 until 21. So 3 times what number is 21? 3 times 7 is 21. The correct option is 7. The correct option is 7. Okay, it takes Keenan 9 minutes to walk a lap around the pond. How many laps can he walk in 27 minutes? So the total 7 is time is 27. You need to see if one lap covers 9 minutes. In 27 minutes, how many laps she can cover? So 9 times what number is 27? 9 times 3 is 27. The correct option is 3, right? Very good. Count the tables. Do not guess the answers, please. Eva picked 18 carrots from her garden and divided them equally into 6 bunches to give to her neighbors. How many carrots are in each bunch? 3 times 6 times what number is 18? Very good. 6 times 3 is 18. That means he can divide 3 carrots in each bunch. The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is Lee bought 12 flowers and divided them equally into 4 bouquets. How many flowers are in each bouquet? Which is the correct option? 'So you have to divide 12 flowers into 4 bouquets. So which is the correct option? Very good. 4 times 3 is 12. So the correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is Doug rode his bike for a total of 54 kilometers in past 6 days. How he rode the same distance every day. How many kilometers did Doug bike each day? So which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 9. 6 times 9 is 54. So that means each day he can cover 9 kilometers. The correct option is 9. Please write the answers. One go, Joe. Josie wants to purchase 40 bars of soap. If the bars of soap come in pack of 4, how many packs should Josie buy? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 10. 4 times 10 is 40. So the correct option is 10. Okay, Braden went to the grocery store and bought 42 bagels. If there are 6 bagels in each pack, how many pack of bagels did Braden buy? 6 times what number is 42? The correct option is 7. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is you can do divide 3-digit number word problems on your own. The next one is divide larger numbers. Larger number means the number that are 3 or 4-digit numbers, right? How do we divide them? Basically, so you can divide them by using long division method, right? Let's do this one. 7,704 divided by 4. 7,704 divided by 4, right? We can, here you have 7. 7 is greater than 4. We can go for 4 times 1 is 4, right? 7 take away 4 is 3. 3 is less than 4, right? Now you need to bring the next digit down. Now you can count 4 until 37. So 4 times 9 is 36. 7 take away 6 is 1. Okay, 1 is less than 4. You cannot divide. You need to bring the other 0 down. So 4 times 2 is 8. 10 take away 8 is 2. Now bring the 4 down. You need to count 4 until 24. So which is the correct option? 4 times 8 is 24. So the answer is 1924. The correct option is 1920. 4 times 6 is 24. 1926 it is. Can you guys stop sharing your personal informations here? I'm going to block you all. Okay, the next one is 5,628 divided by 6. Okay, 5 is less than 6, right? You need to count the table of 6 until 56. So 6 times 9 is 54. We can go for 6 times 9 is 54. So 56 take away 54 is 2. Now bring the next 2 down. Count 6 until 22. So which is the correct option? 6 times 3 is 18. That is 4. Now bring the 8 down. So 6 times 8 is 48. So you can go for the correct option is 938. That is the correct option, right? The correct option is 938. The next one is 5304. Let's just divide it by the 8. Okay, so you need to count 8 until 53. 8 times 7 is 50. We can go for 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48, right? So here you have 5. Now bring the next digit down. So 8 times what number is 50? 8 times 6 is 48 again, right? Now bring the 4 down. So 8 times 3 is 24. The correct option is 8 times 3 is 20. So the correct option is 663 is the correct option, right? No, that is 663. You guys are guessing the answers. Do not guess. You have your notebook, solve and write the answer, right? Okay, the next one is 3196. Okay, let's just divide. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 7 is 28. So 31 minus 28 is 3. Now bring the 9 down. You have to count 4 until 39. We can go for 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 39 minus 36 is 3 again. 6 down. 49 4 times 9 is again 36. So the correct option is 799. So the correct option is 799, right? Okay, the next one is 1141 divided by 7. So 7 times 1 is 7, right? 11 take away 7 is 4. Bring the next digit down. 7 times 6 is 42. Then again you have to bring the 1 down. 7 times what number is 21? Very good. 7 times 3 is 21. So the correct option is 163, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The lesson we're working on the chapter division, and the lessons we have covered today are division patterns over increasing place values, divide numbers ending in zeros, division word problems. You can do divide three-digit number word problems on your own, and divide larger numbers, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any, but only relevant questions. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.